Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can secure your Robinhood account. So in here, I'm on the official website of the Robinhood, and here are the security best practices that you can do to strengthen your account. So first, you can strengthen your password. So one of the most important things that you can do is use a strong password for your Robinhood account. So a strong password is one that you don't use for any other application or service or share with anyone. It also contains at least 10 characters, and it includes uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. So it's generated and safely stored in a password manager. So you can also monitor your login activity. So device monitoring allows you to view and manage everyday device that has been used to log in your Robinhood account. So to be able to view your devices, you have to select account. So that is the person icon and tap on the menu, which is the three bars or the settings. From there, just select security and privacy, then go to devices to view them. So it's really important to remain vigilant and keep an eye on your activity. So if you still have access to your account, you can go ahead and select the icon, which is the person icon. And in the application, there is a menu, which is the three bars. Go ahead and tap on that one and select the settings. From there, you just have to click security and privacy, then go to devices. So select and remove any devices that you don't recognize. And in password, you have to reset your password to a strong and unique password that you will only use for your Robinhood account. So ideally with more than 10 characters. So if you want to report the incident, if you are encountering someone that is hacking your account, then you can go ahead and report it to this. So you can also monitor and protect from SIM swapping. So you can also go ahead and read this. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!